Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial we're going to teach you step by step how you can add a task to your Google Drive account really quickly. So let us get started. Now adding tasks may help you, for example, organize or manage your Google Drive portfolio better. Like for example, if you'd like to add an ongoing task like, I don't know, uploading specific items, downloading them, keeping a better overview of your Google Drive account. So let me show you how to create such a task, like one-time task or ongoing. Head over to your Google Drive account, guys, and what you want to do is make sure, of course, that you're logged in with your associated Google account. And here in your home section, what you want to do is simply click on that button or icon here on the right panel, tasks. And after that, this panel will open up for you. So what you want to do here is start by clicking on add a task there. After that, give it a title, like for example, I don't know, upload business report or something like that. And after that, provide some details, like for example, you may add a date like tomorrow, or select a specific date here and specific time, like for example, I don't know, Wednesday, and then set it on recurring or repeat so that the given task gets repeated every Wednesday, every week, by clicking on repeat here. And here you may, for example, adjust or set the frequency, like every day or every week. Select the start date and end date. And yeah, that's basically it. Confirm by clicking on done here. And that's it. You may also bookmark the given task or add it to start. And that's it, guys. The given task will then also appear in your Google Calendar so that you may be notified and reminded of it. And you may also mark it as completed by simply clicking on that check mark icon here to the left or on that circle. And after that, the given task will disappear. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.